Everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Mage.Space A. First, open Mage.Space in your browser and search for the official website, then click on the first result to enter the platform. Now you can check the pricing plans available on the platform. There is a free plan and paid plans such as Basic at $10, Pro at $30, Pro Plus at $60, and Max at $200, depending on the features and generation limits you need. Next, click on Login from the top right corner. Then choose Continue with Google and select your Google account. After that, click on Continue to access your dashboard. Once you are inside, choose what you want to create, such as a character, image, or video. This helps the AI understand your goal better. Then select your creation mode, such as fast creation, high quality, or full control, depending on how detailed you want your output to be. After that, choose an image model from the available options. Each model gives different styles and quality results. Now explore the characters section, where you can find many preset characters to use or customize for your generation. Then go to the reference section, where you can select reference images to guide the AI and make results more accurate. Next, open the advanced settings. Here you can adjust options like aspect ratio, resolution, and output quality. You can also upload additional images to improve consistency and style. Finally, enter your prompt and generate the image or video. The AI will process your input and create the result based on your selected settings. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.